Meeting a new neighbor.
Hello there. I think you are my new neighbor.
Hello. Yes, I moved into this building yesterday.
Welcome to the neighborhood. My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John. My name is Mary.
It is nice to meet you too, Mary.
Thank you. Everyone here seems very friendly.
Yes, this neighborhood is usually quiet and peaceful.
That is good because I like calm places very much.
Did you move here alone or with your family?
I moved here with my younger sister last weekend.
That sounds nice. How do you like the apartment so far?
I really like it because it has a big kitchen.
A big kitchen is great if you enjoy cooking at home.
Yes, I love cooking dinner for my family every evening.
What kind of food do you usually cook?
I often cook soup, rice, and chicken dishes.
That sounds delicious. I enjoy homemade food very much.
Maybe I can cook something for you one day.
That is very kind of you, Mary.
You are welcome. Neighbors should help each other sometimes.
I completely agree with you about that.
Do you live here alone, John?
Yes, I live alone because my family lives in another city.
I understand. Do you visit them often during holidays?
Yes, I usually visit them during long weekends.
That sounds wonderful for your family.
What do you do for work, Mary?
I work as a teacher at a local school nearby.
That is great. Teaching is a very important job.
Thank you. I enjoy helping children learn new things.
I work in a small office downtown.
Do you travel far to get to work every day?
No, it only takes about 20 minutes by bus.
That is convenient and saves a lot of time.
Yes, I am happy because the bus stop is close.
I noticed many shops and restaurants around this area too.
Yes, there is also a nice supermarket near the park.
That is helpful because I still need to buy groceries.
I can show you the supermarket after work tomorrow.
Really? Thank you very much for your help.
No problem. I am happy to help new neighbors.
You are very kind, John.
By the way, do you like coffee or tea?
I usually drink tea in the morning and coffee at night.
That is interesting because I do the opposite.
Really? That is funny and surprising.
Maybe we can have coffee together sometime.
I would like that very much.
Great. I hope you enjoy living here.
Thank you, John. I think I will enjoy this neighborhood.
Borrowing something from a friend.
Hi, Emma. Can I ask you for a small favor?
Hello, John. Of course. What do you need?
I need to borrow your laptop for one day.
Sure. What happened to your laptop?
My laptop stopped working this morning without any warning.
Oh no. That sounds very frustrating for you.
Yes, I have an important project to finish tonight.
I understand. When do you need the laptop?
I need it this afternoon after work.
That should be fine because I will not use it today.
Thank you so much for helping me, Emma.
You are welcome. Friends should help each other sometimes.
I promise I will take very good care of it.
I trust you, so there is no problem.
That makes me feel much better already.
Do you also need the laptop charger?
Yes, please. My charger does not fit your laptop.
Okay, I will bring the charger with the laptop.
Great. I really appreciate your kindness today.
It is no problem at all, John.
I hope your laptop battery still works well.
Yes, the battery is still very strong and reliable.
That is perfect because I need to work for hours.
What kind of project are you working on now?
I am preparing a presentation for my office meeting tomorrow.
That sounds important. Are you almost finished with it?
Not yet. I still need to add some pictures and charts.
I see. Then you really need a computer tonight.
Exactly. That is why I asked for your help.
I am happy that I can help you.
When can I come to pick up the laptop?
You can come to my apartment around 6 o'clock.
Okay, I will come after I leave the office.
That sounds good. I will be home by then.
Do you want me to bring you some coffee?
That is very kind of you, but it is not necessary.
I still want to thank you in some way.
Your friendship is already enough for me.
You are always very thoughtful and generous.
Thank you, John. You are a good friend too.
I will return the laptop tomorrow evening after work.
That is fine. Please do not rush while using it.
Do not worry, I will use it very carefully.
I know you will, because you are very responsible.
Thanks again for trusting me with your laptop.
You are welcome. I hope your project goes well.
I hope so too, because I worked very hard on it.
I am sure your presentation will be excellent.
Thank you, Emma. I will see you this evening.
See you later, John. Have a great day at work.